Hi friends, my name is Yash and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video topic is what is the MindsDB, and I will give the introduction of MindsDB and how it works, and what is the real example of real use case of MindsDB. So let's start the video. So this is our four topics for our this video. So first topic is what is MindsDB. Second topic is what MindsDB does. Third topic is why it's useful, and fourth topic is example of MindsDB. So let's start the video, and this is my introduction. So I will give my introduction to you. So my name is Yash, and I am a computer science student, and I am currently in my third year of my college. I am a very enthusiast and passionate about open source, and helping to the organization, and make my some contribution to their organization. Okay, so uh, we start with introduction to MindsDB. So first question is what is the MindsDB? So MindsDB is a one tool that makes it easier to use machine learning in databases. So I will explain the MindsDB is a one tool that make it easier to use in databases, and we want to uh, if I didn't have much experience in machine learning, but I easily can use the machine learning models in the databases. Okay, so second topic is what MindsDB does. There are three points. So first point is it connects to the any databases. Like we can use MindsDB. MindsDB can link up with various databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB. So we can easily link up with any type of database like SQL and SQL and non-SQL. Okay, so the connection issue is not here. We can easily connect with any database. Second point is automate machine learning. So it helps you to build and use machine learning models without needing to be an expert. This is a great for making prediction or finding patterns in your data. So if I didn't have any type of machine learning expertise in machine learning, but I can use machine learning models, and I make some prediction and finding patterns in our data. Okay, so third point is integrates prediction into SQL. So you can use simple SQL queries to get a prediction. For example, you might want to predict future sales based on past data. So if I want to make prediction, so I want use some simple SQL queries to make predictions from my past data. Okay, so this is our second topic, why it is useful. So first point is accessibility. So even if you are not a machine learning expert, you can still use powerful predictive tools. Second point is time saving. It speed up the process of creating and deploying machine learning models. And integration, you can easily integrate machine learning into any existing data flows without any changing much. Okay, so this is our example slide. So if I have one problem, like imagine you have a database of customer orders. You want to predict which product customer might buy next. Okay, so this is a solution. With MindsDB you can connect to your database, train a model on past order, and then use simple queries to get prediction for your future purchases. Okay, so this is last slide for this video. So I will give these two links in my description box, so you can check it out as well. So this is a MindsDB main official website. This is a main website of MindsDB. So if you want to you want to more if you want to get more information of MindsDB, so you can check this website. I will give the link of this website in my description box. And if you are a developer, so you can make a code contribution, document contribution in MindsDB GitHub profile. So there are many repositories are available, so you can check it out as well. You can make any type of code contribution, document contribution, and there are many open source profiles are available. Okay, I will give link in description box of a GitHub repositories of MindsDB, so you can check that out as well. So that was for this video. If you have any type of doubts, you can ask me in comment section box. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.